Testing. One, two, three. Let's see if we are online. I think we are. Hello, hello.
Hello, guys. Are you
Hello,
Hello.
live?
hello, Rodrigo. Hello, Jorge.
Hi. Hello, Rodrigo.
Okay.
So we are live in the YouTube. Can we start?
Yeah, I think we are live there. So, can we
Okay.
start and tell us what we are going to do today?
Okay. So today I'm going to show how to use the MAX31855. Let me show some info about this guy here,
Mm-hmm.
or at least some picture. Let's put this here. So I have a model like this one. Uh, it's basically it's a thermocouple to digital converter, right? So I'm using the Type K thermocouples, and so I think I can show in the the cheese as well, right? So
Mm-hmm.
the camera, where is cheese here?
Yeah, your camera seems a little bit dark. The external. Oh, now it's okay. Okay.
Yeah, sorry, but the quality for my camera in the notebook is terrible, so I don't think the external camera is better than that, but
Yeah, no, but
I mean,
it's okay. We can see.
yeah.
Yeah.
So here is our board. So we're going to use our board uh, that you use to do, right? So the STM32F401RX485, and let me show you the the sensor here. Sorry, I think it's better here. So this is the sensor. Oops.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Let me
we can see it.
let me this is better. So let me just double check here. Okay, and as you can see here, you can connect this using SPI. So you have here the power supply pins, right? So we're going to provide power through these power supply pins. And we have the chip select, the DO, the data out, right? So we're going to connect this to MISO and the clock. So is how we are connecting that to our board. I think I have the pins that I'm using here. Uh, so I think is the pins is the same you have been using for other device that we connect on SPI1. So
Mm-hmm.
the clock is in PA5, the MISO is in the PA6, and the chip select in this case is not here. I changed that, sorry for that. So it's in the PC4.
Right.
Uh, and also, we are going, I don't think you're going to demo, but you can at least show uh, how to use the, I think it's
6675. I don't remember.
Uh, yeah, that yeah. So it's 6675. I was,
Yeah.
and for that one, I'm going to use the chip select on PC5. If you have enough time, you can demo that, but I don't think you have. So let's
Mm-hmm.
focus on the 315,
Yeah. And this one,
31855.
yeah, and this one, the 31855 is more, is updated version, so it's a better version than the older.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. In fact, when I bought the thermocouple, the sensor itself, it comes together this another one. Uh, but the intention at first was to use the 31855. So the other one is
Yeah, they are pin
uh,
compatible, things like that.
yeah,
So they
it's
just.
like this one.
Mm-hmm.
And but okay, so let's get started. Let's coding. I will put this away for now. I think I have a picture for the 6675, but I already showed, so you can go away with this, go away with this as well. So we're in the latest. Yeah, I'm starting clean, so make this clean. I think I already did that, but just to double check. Okay, and let's configure. We are going to use the USB NuttX shell, right? So
Mm-hmm.
the one that you usually do. So for now, it's all here. You come back here and I'm going to compile. And let's go for the code. So the both sensors is supported here in the common. You can see you have here the 6675 and the 31855. So we are going to use the common logic here to not need to duplicate the code here in your board. Instead of that, we are going to use this here, right? I think that's better because we
Yeah.
don't want to duplicate many code, and we can use something that was already tested. For doing that, I think we'll start by, let's see. Let's first define the chip select here. I'm going to, uh, let's, so let's reuse here, this one here. Okay, and I'll have here. So here we're going to use for MAX31855, and here we're going to put MAX31855. I need to take care of the indentation later. So for now, we're going to use the same,
Mm-hmm.
which means you cannot use the LCD, the RFID, and these guys at the same time, right? So that's the, but I didn't find any other pins for now, so I use
Yeah.
that.
This board has a lot of peripherals internally, so
Yeah.
not.
So yeah. So okay, let me change here as well, and I'm going to use MAX6675 here. Let Okay, no, it was all right. So we are starting by defining the chip select pin. So we need to define that in the board .8 because you're going to use the common logic. And if you define here in the board.8 this file here, it will not be visible, right, in the common. So that's why I need to define here. Right, is my statement.
Yeah. When you,
Okay.
yeah, when you define in your board,
Mm-hmm.
in inside the board source is not visible outside. So when you put it in include boards, it can be accessible more
Mm-hmm.
easily by the common board logic.
Okay. So now let's so let's close these two files and let's add this in our bring up file. So I think I can copy from, let's see if Discover has this. I don't think so. Uh, bring up. Okay, we have this here, and I will copy to here, and we have two of these, right? So first is, oh, the first is correct. Let's change the second. The 6675, and here also 6675. Okay. Uh, then we need to initialize the guys. So let's go back here in the discovery and find by. Okay, so we need to initialize. Oh, you have both
Yeah,
here,
you
so I
have
will
both
copy
just
all.
Yeah, nothing more to do. Very easy.
Yeah. So let's put that in our bring up here. So the function is bring up. I put in the end. So we have a lot of things that you already do right in this board. Okay,
Yeah. Normally,
here.
I don't like to put it in the most in the end because see
Mm-hmm.
sometimes someone forget and put return in some previous function, and then because this return,
Mm-hmm.
like see if error return ret, um, it means if that code that part of the code is enabled. For example, if the BMP 180 is enabled,
I
and
see.
there is no sensor in your board, it will fail and you not run your code. So I suppose
Yeah.
look in the initialization, put it before any of this return. But later we can remove this return ret to avoid this pitfall.
I see. So do you think you can do you want to do this now? Let's see. You can go
Yeah, maybe let's see. Um, yeah,
or
I think after
so
buttons, move down.
the this one the first
Yeah, the first
so
one to have is
yeah so very in the beginning,
yeah,
but that's okay. I put here,
yeah.
and I think that's all for bring up.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Now you want to enable the ship select in the SPI file, and again we are going to use the SPI here from Discovery, and let's see what you have here. So first we have here, oh sorry, let's go back to bring up. So we want to use SPI 1, right? We want to use SPI 1. And also here we want to use SPI1, not SPI2, right?
Yeah.
So I need to change it here. Almost forgot it will not work and we're going to debug this. So let's get this and go to our SPI and no here. So maybe I put here and here. So we are going to use SPI1 and okay. Here you are going to use SPI1 and the symbol here is 667. Also the ship select here is 667 and let's update the comment 667. So okay, I think SPI1, I think that's okay, but let me see what else. I think you have also to
Yeah.
okay.
The select it and that's all.
Mhm. Let me go back here. It's here. Let me put in the here. Okay, def and okay, zero channel zero.
Yeah.
Okay,
Um, I think the if def became
yeah, this one, right?
or the bottom the elf
Oh,
the ngif.
yeah, and also all these.
I think depends. I don't know. The most are aligned for to the right,
Mm-hmm.
but I think if it is in the left, alignment is okay as well.
Yeah, you see here.
Yeah, is unaligned
We
as well.
yeah. Let me
Yeah,
fix this. At least let's put a standard here.
yeah,
Always in this. Is that okay using this way, or do you think?
yeah. I think it's okay. It's
Okay. And yeah, guys, so as these sensors are supported in the common logic, I think that's all. All you need to do, all code you need to do. Now you need to configure using menu config and test it. Do you think I missed anything? Uh,
No, I think so. That's correct, right? Because everything else is already in place. Since
mhm.
it's a common board, it's already
Yeah,
available for other boards, so we don't need to.
yeah. So let's configure that. I'll try by Uh, okay. First, we need to enable the SPI1, right? So we are using SPI1, so we need to enable that.
Mm-hmm.
Then we need to enable the common board logic support, right? So without that, it will fail. And in device drivers, we need to enable the MAX driver. So let's go to sensor a little more. Sensor device support. Oh, sorry, need to enable here. And now uh, a lot of no, another max. Okay, okay, this one.
Mm-hmm.
And so that's all here. And let's enable the application. And the application should be that one.
Yeah, just it.
I
Very
think
easy.
that's all, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. Let's build. Let's double check something here.
yeah. The Max 31855
Was
was
that
registered.
right?
Yeah, the application.
Yeah.
This warning for the flash is here all the time. We need to fix it, right?
Yeah,
Some.
let me do something here. Okay. I'm not able to show all the things here, so this is something that I need to improve in my setup. A way to show a broader.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I need a different support for this camera or even a different camera. But anyway, for now we're going to do this way. And so I will put in boot mode. We did this a lot of times, so I don't think we need to show. And let's use DFU for flashing that. Okay, so here we're going to use the USB to connect. So I'll restart, so it enumerates.
Mm-hmm.
And okay,
Let's
so
see.
we are in. So the application is there. Let's check if the device drive the device
Device
was
file.
added.
Yeah, it was here.
So
Temp
yeah,
zero.
the temp is 0. And so this application here is a infinite loop. So once I type here, the only way to escape is to reset the board for now. So uh, yeah, so see, it will be measuring.
Yeah, there's some small malfunctioning. Uh, Maybe
Yeah,
because the cables, right, is disconnected sometime. But
yeah. I'm not sure if it's some kind of yeah. Anyway, uh,
yeah, now it's stable.
yes, a little bit better, right?
Yeah.
So for sure is something in my setup here regarding the wires. So
Yeah.
What?
Do you want to put the code
Yeah.
bag
hmm
to test it?
So one thing that's in the application, there is this exclamation mark. I think is the name, right? The exclamation mark.
Yeah.
So ignore this, please. It should be another. And give me few seconds. I will get a bag of uh, uh, ice, or it's not really ice. It's another liquid inside, but it's
Yeah.
very cold. So I put it on top of the thermocouple, and you are going to see the temperature changing. Just a second, please.
Yeah. Oh.
Something got wrong, right?
Yeah. Disconnected again. Yeah. You need to change
Yeah.
your cables later. But okay.
Yeah, but the strange thing that's I didn't even touch this
Yeah.
time. So okay, so let's
Yeah.
try
Let's
to.
bring the. Okay. By the way, George, do you have this? You said you don't have this module here, right?
Yes, I unfortunately don't have this sensor to help you too.
Mm, yeah, I have some here. I sent to Rodrigo. Maybe I can send to you because normally when I bought in AliExpress, I normally get three or four to to use the same shipment.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so
Okay.
yeah, but it's a little bit strange because it disconnected very often. Maybe his cables is not good. That's something bad when using uh, these prototype modules. Uh, if the wire is not good, you you have a lot of mess before getting things stable.
Yes, I think some time ago I give some cables to Rodrigo and I tell to him test because they are not working
Yeah. So
very well.
Okay, guys, I'm back. So uh,
yeah,
we're at seeing the temperature decrease, right? So let's wait a little more. It takes few minutes to.
to become
I
zero.
think now, yeah, yeah. I think well, we should get even below zero, but let's see.
Yeah, it's decreasing. Yeah, the good thing about these thermocouple, this Type K, is because you can use it for very high temperature. For example, for some measure some oven temperature to control. For example, if you want to do some reflow oven to solder
hmm
some boards, is a good thing. Yeah, sync is disconnected again when they arrive zero. So maybe you can try to move the wires.
Uh,
Yeah,
that's true. That's very because
yeah,
I was not touching here,
yeah,
but even though
yeah. But probably it's some.
yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, but anyway, we was able to see the
yeah.
temperature
Now
going
I think
down, right?
yeah, I think you can remove the code bag and let it increase again.
Let's see. Hope. Uh, okay.
Yeah, it's coming, become hot again, become warming again. Yeah.
Yeah, I put my hand in the
Ah,
thermocouple to speed up.
yeah. This is why it was moving fast.
Yeah. So, uh, sorry for the the connections problem, but that's it, guys. That's how also I cannot even try to move this because
No,
start
yeah,
to.
it's connect again. But yeah, I think you proved the idea, and the most important is how to configure what you did for add support in your board, so it could
Mhm.
be helpful for other people trying to use this sensor with NuttX.
Yeah, and also even the bad part of it that is this this issue with the connection, maybe it will be helpful because we have a lot of uh, bad stuff in the market. So if you guys face some issue similar to this, you guys will know that it's not your port or it's not your code. It may be the the sensor and the cables that you're using.
Yeah. Okay. I think that's all. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you, George, for the nice presentation. And yeah, nice tutorial. And let let wait for the next um, tutorial. And thank you very much.
Thank you guys. See you in the next. Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye.